comes to a complete stop at the fast signal sign flash will stop.
Good morning, guys.
Wait, no internet.
Yeah, no internet.
Just pixel and also I can do it.
Paalis kami, guys, papuntang airport.
Okay,
Yan.
I don't want to.
May uuwi ng Pinas.
I want to go to the airport.
Yeah, uuwi na si nanay, guys.
I
Ihahatid
want to
ko.
go to the airport.
Uuwi na si nanay ng Pinas. Excited na masyado si nanay. Hindi nakatulog. Dahil uuwi na siya. Sa wakas, makakauwi na si mother. Ang tagal-tagal din, guys, na na 9 months na si nanay dito, guys. 9 months na siya. Yung visa na binigay sa kanya, guys, 3 months lang. Tapos in-extend namin siya kasi ng another 3 months. Kinaan mo lang, tak. Kinaan mo lang yung mo, nak. Hindi ako marunong mag-eyeshadow, guys, eh. Lang tawag nito. Simple lang, ganyan lang. Tapos na-extend siya ng 3 months, guys. Tapos naabutan ng pandemic. Hindi na siya nakauwi. Dapat July. June ba yun pa? June? Kailan ba yun? December. March dapat uwi.
I want to inside your seat inside of the guy of the airport to go to inside your seat.
No. Yeah, you go to Insan Yosen. Tapos guys, naabutan ng pandemic, hindi na nakauwi si nanay. Next time namin siya, another 3 months ulit ang binigay ng immigration sa kanya. Hanggang ngayon, pang tatlong extend ba ni nanay? 3. Ay, hindi, 2 lang pala. Yan, 2. Tapos ngayon, may may biyahe na, guys, kaya makakauwi na si mother. Ayan. Bye-bye muna sa bye-bye muna sa Japan. Bye-bye muna, Papa.
Saan ka pa napupunta?
Saan ako pupunta pa?
Either she where are you going?
We're going to
Minsan ulit.
inside your seat.
Sa
No.
bahay natin. Bahay
We're going
natin,
back.
Papa.
Ayun na.
No, I want
You don't want
Time
to
go
go.
home.
comes to a complete stop in the fast signal sign flash will stop. May we remind you to check areas around you for items you might leave behind. On behalf of Captain Ilagan and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Not again.
Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.